1000 can be formed using the digits 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 if a digit cannot be used more than once. And this time we're going to use the NPR idea from above rather than drawing the boxes. So if we think about it, how many different digit numbers can we create that are greater than 1000? We can create a 4-digit number, so we can have a 4. Let's turn that back on. We can have a 4-digit number. What else? We can have a 5-digit number. We can have a 6-digit number. And that's it, I think, isn't it? Because we've only got 6 digits to use. Okay, so the number of possible values is equal to, if we put these up, so we have a 4-digit number. How many numbers have we got to choose from? We have 6 numbers to choose from, don't we? And we're going to arrange them into how many positions? For the first one? 4. So 6 objects arranged into 4 positions. Okay? And that's a 6 with a permutation 4. So that's your n value, this is your r value. Or, so we put in a plus, we have 6 values that can be arranged into 5 positions. Or we have 6 values that can be arranged into 6 positions. Everybody happy with that so far? Yep. And I think it's easier than drawing up all those boxes that we were drawing before. So if we go into our calculator, and now we need to use our calculators to do it. Normal scientifics have it as a little function. We've got to find it on here. And so what we do is we go to menu, we go to probability, which is option 5, and we want to perform a permutation. So if you click that, and you'll see that it puts up NPR for you. You could probably just type that in, and then a bracket. In the brackets, we put in the n position first. So our n was 6. And then we had comma. What was the first one? It was 4. And then hit enter. And you find that you get 360. So we'll pop that in. We have equals 360. Plus, so we'll go back in here. Let's try and string string them together. So you should be able to find your n value, and you can use shift and stuff. So you can go n, p, r, and you'll see that if you type it in using the values down the bottom, that they, instead of being italicized, they now become upright. Put in the bracket, and we're doing 6, 5. We get 720. So we'll put that in. And finally, we have 6p6. So NPR of 6, 6, which is also 720. And that equals, sorry, how much? 1,000? Excellent. So there are 1,800 different values that can be created if we don't have any repetition.